Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Today I'm going to show you a quick little tip about how to add rich media to your About section or to your Experience section and make it show up on your profile in a better way. So let me show you the two ways you can do it. I'm going to hit the pencil in my About section. Down here is where I can add media. I can either upload or link. Upload is uploading a document directly to your LinkedIn profile. It's going to store it in SlideShare, but it's going to embed it on your profile. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Upload. I'm going to grab this document called LinkedIn as a Business Tool Handout, and I'm going to hit open. There's the document. I'm going to put a little description. And then I'm going to hit apply. And then I'm going to hit save. Now there's the document right there. Now notice when I click on this, it's a small image. It's the full image, but it's small. Now I can hit view and it'll open it up. It is in SlideShare. It's in what's called embedded code, which means it's not necessarily accessible from SlideShare. It's just stored there. Now let me show you another way to do this. Instead of adding it directly, go to SlideShare. It's under Work, SlideShare. Put your document here. And when you go to upload, if you haven't already been in SlideShare, it's going to ask you to log in. And select a file to upload. There's my document. I'm going to put a little bit of description. Now, the neat thing about SlideShare is I can choose a category. I can make it public or private, and I can put tags. And then my discovery score is full, so I can hit publish. And now the neat thing about SlideShare is that when you upload a PDF or any document, LinkedIn SlideShare will scrape out the text. And again, this is keyword rich and it's indexed, so it helps me get discovered through SlideShare as well. So I have the share button that lets me do the standard sharing into social media or grab a URL for it or short codes. As well as there's the link to it directly, which is, by the way, all I want right now. So I'm going to copy that. What used to be here is a button where I could take and connect it to my LinkedIn account, my LinkedIn profile. It's no longer there. That's okay. I've got the link. That's all I need. So now I'll go back to LinkedIn. Now, once I have the document on SlideShare and I have the link, go to the pencil, hit link instead of upload, paste the link in here, hit add. There's a document, a little fuzzy in the preview, that's okay. There's my title, there's a description that I put in SlideShare, and now I can hit apply, and then I can hit save. Now here's what we have. Here's the first document. It's a little small, but here's the one that I put in SlideShare and I connected to the link. Look, it's full size and it has scrollability, which is a function of SlideShare. And I can also go view it, which will take me to SlideShare. Much better looking as a full document with scrolling functions than this, the original one I put, which is uploaded the document. So what I encourage you to do instead of upload is to put your document in SlideShare, grab the URL to it, and add the link instead of upload. I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope this quick little tip about using SlideShare and linking content to your LinkedIn profile is helpful.